Hello everyone, my name is Emily and welcome back to the Online STEAM Club where we do fun activities in science, technology, engineering, arts, and math. So it is spring and it's getting nice out, so today I'm going to look at some STEAM activities surrounding gardening, and hopefully these will get you outside and let you have some fun in your yards. So the first one we are going to be looking at is a biodegradable flower pot. So the ingredients for this are really simple. It's almost like an easy paper mache recipe. So first you just want some newspaper. You just want to tear it up into little scraps, perhaps just the size of the pad of your thumb. You want quite a few of them. As you can see, I've already torn up all my pieces of paper. Then you're going to want some flour, which I have here. And you're also going to need some water. So first I'm just going to pour just enough water to get the newspapers a little bit damp. And then you just want to add a little bit of flour. You can just do it little by little. And you sort of just want to go for a kind of pasty consistency. So I'm going to mix that all together. Maybe a bit more flour. There we go. And then the final thing you want is some sort of little cup. I really like using just a little disposable cup because then if I have to slightly cut it to get the pot out, it works well. But you can definitely use any small cup. So you just take your little pieces of newspaper, a bit of flour on your fingers might also help, and you just paste it to the inside of your cup. I won't do the whole thing right now. But if you can see that, I'm just pasting it just to the inside of the cup. You want it to have no holes, to be completely around the inside and the bottom. And once you've done that, then you can just set that to the side and then let that dry. It doesn't take all that long. And then at the end, you will have something that just pops out like this. You might have to take a dull knife and just run it around the edge to get it to pop out. But then once you have your dried little flower pot, you can just put dirt inside it and a seed. You can start them as seedlings if you want. And then whenever you're ready to transfer them outside, you can just plant this right in your garden. And all of the little worms and all of those things will just compost it down. So that's a biodegradable flower pot. So the next one is a little bug house. Of course, all the bugs are waking up and they need a place to stay in the garden. So this is a really easy one. You just start with a tin can, and then on the inside you can put really anything you find in the garden. I've just put little sticks. You could also put in rocks or little flowers or grass or mulch. And you want it to be snug in there, but not too tight, of course, because you do want some room for your bugs. If you do have something that's going to withstand the elements like duct tape, you can decorate these up with that. And then these can either be nestled in a corner of your garden, or you can do as I have done and just attach a little string and hang it from a branch. And then just put that outside and give it a little bit. And then after maybe a week or so, look carefully in and see if you have any little bugs in your bug house. And then this final one is just a fun art project. They're just little plant markers. So I just have the base as a popsicle stick, and I've just chosen to use some pipe cleaners and make a cute little butterfly. Down here you could write whatever you planted in a pot or in your garden. I haven't written anything because I haven't planted anything yet. But then once you're done with this, you can just put it in your little plant pot, and then you'll know what you planted there. So those are just some simple and fun STEAM activities that you can do out in your gardens. And I hope that all of your gardens are lovely this year. As always, if you do any of these activities, we would love to see them. Feel free to just put them on our Facebook page. And other than that, have a great day.